In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix ReCAPTCHA on Google Chrome. Let's get started. Launch your Google Chrome, click on three dots given at the top right. Now head over to the option settings. Now at the left hand side, you're going to find different option. Click on the option about Chrome. Now check for the updates. Make sure Chrome is updated to its latest version. Next, click on the option privacy and security. Now click on the option clear browsing data. A window will appear with few options: browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Make sure all three boxes are checked. Before you clear this data, remember that doing so will log out of most websites. Make sure you have your password saved or written down. When you are ready, click Clear Data and let Chrome refresh everything, and that's done. Go back to Settings tab and use the search bar at the top to search for Content Settings. Click Site Settings, then scroll down and find JavaScript. Make sure it is set to Recommended. ReCAPTCHA needs JavaScript enabled to function correctly. Now let's clear cookies for a specific website giving you trouble. Go back to Privacy and Security section, but this time select Cookies and Other Site Data. Scroll down and tap See All Cookies and Site Data. Use the search bar to find the website affected by ReCAPTCHA issue. Then delete its cookies. When you have completed all these steps, restart Google Chrome to apply the changes, and that's it. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.